Hello and welcome to Unacademy. This video is extremely important for all the civil services aspirants of the country. Don't trust me? Stay with me till the end, and I promise you will not regret. For the next 3 days, beginning today, Unacademy platform is open for all for free without any charges for you to experience Unacademy platform for the civil services examination preparation. Live classes, recordings of the live classes, test series, notes, study material, current affairs, optional subjects. Everything is available for you for free for the next 3 days. Why? I'll tell you the rationale slightly later, but first I'll tell you how to access this 3 day free trial of Unacademy platform. Go to our website or download the app. You will be asked to apply a code. Use this code IAS English and you will unlock the 3 day free trial of Unacademy platform. But listen to me carefully. You may have accessed the free trial of Unacademy platform previously. Now, if you want to experience it again, I would urge you to use a different phone number while accessing the existing 3 day free trial. Now, you might ask, what is the purpose? And I'll tell you the purpose. This is the platform which was chosen by All India Rank 1 of CSE 2025. And I'll tell you, trust me when I say this topper has used an academy platform. We are not unnecessarily claiming Mr. Anuj Agnihotri as our student. He is a bona fide student of Unacademy, used Unacademy platform for his civil services preparation, and aced the exam with All India Rank 1. Now, what do I mean? For the next 3 days, check out our live classes. For example, my polity course is ongoing. Attend these classes live. Timing is 10:30 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. There are other classes also happening every single day. Attend these live classes or watch the recordings of the previous classes. Download the notes. Take a look at the practice questions. Take a look at the test series which we offer to our enrolled students, whether it is prelims test series or mains test series. Take a look at doubt solving and get your doubts resolved by our qualified mentors who have reached till the interview stage. You can access current affairs classes through our program called UCAN, Unacademy's Current Affairs Navigator. Take a look at our PYQs. Now, the question on your mind is why is an academy platform available for free for the next 3 days? And listen to me carefully. You want to trust a platform so that you want to prepare with that platform for the civil services examination. Unless and until you experience the platform, you would not be able to make an informed choice. Informed choice in the sense, once you access all these products, whether it is test series, live classes, recordings, PYQs, current affairs, then ask yourself, if I prepare for from this platform for 1 year, will it be enough for me? Will the resources provided by Unacademy would be enough for me to conquer this examination? On that basis, you can evaluate this platform. But how do you evaluate this platform? For example, some students like my teaching style. Some may not like my teaching style. Now, what do? You take a look at Reddit, you go through reviews, you see which teacher should I choose for polity, for economy, for geography, for various other subjects. Instead of going by reviews or through influencers or through paid marketing campaigns, and then you decide which teacher is best for me, instead experience it yourself. Don't go by what others are saying because someone may not genuinely like a particular teacher's style of teaching for this examination, but you may like it. So, likeness or dislike is something subjective. It depends upon your own experience. So, experience it for free and then rate the performance. In a sense, what is the teaching quality and rate yourself out of 10. What is the quality of notes? Rate out of 10. Are the test series, the test, the standard of questions provided by us bases the UPSC standard, matching the UPSC standard? Then evaluate whether the current affairs classes which are provided on this platform, whether they are strictly aligned with the requirements of the civil services examination. Yes or no? Evaluate. You should be the evaluator. Whether you're getting your doubts resolved. How is the app experience? Is it easy for you to access the classes? Take a look at notes, download the notes, download the annotated PPTs as well as the unannotated PPTs. For example, whatever the teacher is writing in the live class, you can even download that PDF. So, how is the app experience? Is the app easier for you to experience the classes? Is there a lag? And then decide on the basis of value for money whether what amount you're paying for the UPSC subscription, is it value for money? Is it expensive? Is it affordable? Or is it cheap? If the score that you are getting is above 55 out of 70, that means this is the right platform for you to prepare for the civil services examination, which means our intention is to tell the students, because we trust our platform, we trust our content. We are sure that if you attend these classes, if you take the tests, if you get these test papers evaluated, if you are under the right guidance of a mentor, there is no power on earth that can stop you from cracking this examination and realizing your dream of becoming an IAS officer. But experience it yourself. Rate on the basis of these parameters, award marks, and if you score basis these parameters more than 55 marks you are providing to us, then this is the right platform for you. Some may provide more than 55, some may provide less than that. So if you're somebody who has now evaluated the entire content and now you are giving us more than 55 marks, trust me, this is the trusted platform for you. How? Two more things, 2 more minutes, and I'm done. Risk reversal. For example, you enroll in a coaching institute, but later you realize that couple of teachers are good, I'm able to understand, but the rest of the teachers I'm not able to understand at all. But then what can you do? You have already invested a lot of money in that coaching program, you can't come out of it. There is risk reversal. In a sense, you have to experience our platform for 3 days. If you're satisfied, enroll. If you're not satisfied, please look elsewhere and test a platform where you can score 55 or above out of 70 based on the parameters that we discussed previously. Curiosity. We have more than 70,000 students on our platform preparing for the civil services examination, making Unacademy the largest platform for civil services aspirants of this country. So if you're curious to find out why is Unacademy a trusted platform for the civil services examination, find it out yourself by experiencing these classes for the next 3 days. Authority. Now you will judge our content not as a customer, but as a UPSC aspirant. See whether the content is strictly aligned to the requirements of this exam according to the syllabus based on the PYQ pattern, nothing more, nothing less. And then autonomy. I'm not asking you to believe me. I'm asking you to try it out yourself, whether what we promise is exactly what we deliver or not. And then after 3 days, should you wish to enroll with us for your civil services preparation, you are welcome to join us, experience and immerse yourself into civil services preparation, and we will be there with you till you crack the civil services examination. One last time, go through our website or download the app. It will ask you to use a code to unlock the 3D free trial, the 3-day free trial. For that, use this code IS English, experience the UPSC subscription, and then decide accordingly. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.